Okay, this is going to be 8.2, day 2, video 2. I was reading this all wrong, so those of you that were listening to the last part, I'm sorry, but it takes Sophie C minutes to cycle from the library to the mall. It takes 1/8 of the time cycling to travel the same distance walking. In other words, it takes 8 times longer to walk than it does to cycle. Okay, walking takes W minutes. Write an equation relating C and W. So if you times, I'm over here now, if you times 8 times the amount of cycling, that'll give you the walking distance. Or you could take cycling and divide the walking distance by 8, and that'll give you the time cycling. Complete the table to show the relationship. Well, if it's 2 minutes cycling, it's 16 minutes walking. 3 minutes cycling, 24 minutes walking. 4 times 8 is 32, 5 times 8 is 40, 6 times 8 is 48, 7 times 8 is 56. Then you need to graph the relationship between C and W on the plane. Again, this is a page break. This just shows that you're not going to be skip counting by the exact amount, and they break it. It's good to have, good to use. And then last but not least, part D is use the graph to find the time it would take Sophia to walk the distance if she cycles it in 44 minutes. So we go to 44, which is going to be right here. Ding, 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 ding. And it's right in between 5 and 6. You get 5.5. Question number 8. Rachel reads P books and Malik reads 3 more than Rachel. Together they read H. So that's going to be together they read H. So we have P for Rachel, and Malik reads 3 more, so it's going to be P plus 3. We then combine them, and you get 2P plus 3 equals H. Complete the table with the relationship of P and H. So we're gonna multiply P by 2 or by 1, and then add 3 to it. So the first one is going to be 5. The next one, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. And 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. Then we graph it, and it should look like this. Part D reads, use the graph to find out how many books Rachel reads if the total number of books is 15. Total number of books would be 15, so I would take that all the way up to here. And if we look, that would be 15. And that's really going to be, if we keep this going, 6. Next question. Lynette's mother gives her $80. Lynette spends $5 per day. Lynette has Y dollars after X days. So we're really starting off with $80, and we're losing $5 per day. Well, it's going to be 80 minus $5 per day, and each day is X. And that's going to give you your Y value, which is right here on the answer key. If you complete the table using that formula, it would be 80 minus 5, which is 75. 80 minus 10, which is 70. And you would keep going. It would be 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50. Part C, the graph should look like this. You guys could have used a line break all the way up here, but it should look like this graph right here. And I think that's it. All right, sorry I had to split the video into 2 and I was confused on number 7, but I hope this helps. Have a good one, guys. Bye.